What's going on, gamers? It's the Ultimate Gamer here, and I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I've been battling out a nasty cough. I have asthma, so every October I have to go get an injection. I haven't got my injection just yet. But hopefully I'll be getting it soon so I can be all better and upload videos for you guys, because I don't like this. It's so disturbing and I want my videos to be as best as they can. I'm just taking a crap right now. I don't know why I'm filming myself while I'm taking a crap. It's just weird. Basically what I'm trying to say is I'm taking a shit, but you get what I mean. So yeah, I haven't really been able to make videos that much because of my nasty cough, and I want my videos to be as best as they can, which I've already mentioned. So hopefully I'll be getting my injection soon. Hopefully I can upload videos as soon as that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.